So we're on the Uniden Uniace 100. If you saw the service video, we discovered it had got a illegal modification which was making it not work on frequency properly. So that's come out. The set's been brought back to standard as it should be, and now we have a good working set doing a full 4 watts, which is better than the 3.5 watts it came in at. I've not heard anybody talking on it yet. Sunday evening must be quiet here at Tango Towers. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie's out there. Turns wrong knob. This lead seems a bit short. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, I'm on the radio now.
Yep, roger that. Well, we're coming up to the end of the lane. Over.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger that. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger that. Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. I'm on a Uniden Uniace 100 from 1981, and it's doing a full 4 watts output.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger.
Right, now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Oh, roger that. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you out the Kelby turn.
Right, we're now passing the Grady turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. And that's our worst one, and it's coming through very well. Roger got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing, also known as Greyleys, and that concludes the test. Thank you.
Yep, roger that. No problem.
Thank you, 1010. Well, that worked beautifully, didn't it? Let's go over to our base station and see how muffled it sounds, because that's what they usually suffer from.
Tango 21, testing the 1981 Uniden Uniace 100 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. This is on a replacement microphone of CB Master branding. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.